Welcome to Pure Bhakti Base. This website is dedicated to making the divine teachings of Srila Gurudev accessible to all seekers on the path of pure bhakti. Let us take a guided tour through the website and its features. Let's start with vision and mission. This section describes the core purpose of the website, which is to share the teachings of Gurudev widely and to make them easily accessible to readers around the world. You can find this section on the footer of all pages. Main navigation. The standard navigation bar at the top of the website provides access to the key features of the site, including reader, bookmarks, search, glossary lookup, verse lookup, and AI chat. Some of these features like reader and glossary are currently available, while others will be introduced in future phases of the development. Now let's go to library. The library serves as the main entry point to the reader functionality. It is currently organized into two groups, books and magazines. Books featuring 98 of Gurudev's books. Magazines will be added in our next phase. You can explore the available books now and return later to access the magazine section once released. Book selection. In the library, you can hover over and click open to the reader mode. If you wish to learn more about a book before reading, you can select the details, which will include the author information and a brief summary of the book. You may also find books by typing part of a title in this search field. Now, once you search or navigate to a book, you can simply click to open the book in the reader mode. Here you will see title of contents and the main reading pane. The main page navigation consisting of these icons plays an important role in how you can read a book and jump to a specific page. The next and previous are the buttons that will allow you to scroll forward or backward. You could use table of contents to jump to a specific section within the book. And you could also use the go to feature to select a book. select a page and go directly to that particular page. For uninterrupted reading, use the full screen mode to expand and view focus purely on the reading, which can be scrolled forward or backwards. Another important feature of the reader functionality is the ability to bookmark. If you'd like to bookmark a specific page within the book, simply click on it and it will get highlighted and the bookmark is saved. If you would like to edit a saved bookmark, simply type in your own bookmark name. All the saved bookmarks can be organized by navigating to the bookmarks. Here you will see your saved bookmarks, which can be sorted by newest, oldest, or based on the book title to organize the bookmarks based on the book. You could also search through the books and you can find them by searching. Other features on the bookmarks include an export functionality, which would allow you to save the bookmarks to your local computer in a JSON format and then import it into another browser on the same computer or transfer to a different computer and import them. The clear all function would allow you to delete all your bookmarks. In the reader functionality, you could also select a book by typing in a keyword or selecting the alphabetical menu and selecting the book, and to get to the same reader experience with the same navigation panels. The glossary feature allows you to look up important Sanskrit and philosophical terms. You may search directly for a word, for instance, Acharya. Or you can search for a concept. Which will take you to the keyword achamana, which means a ritual of purification of water. There are several advanced features that are under development and will be released in future updates, which include full text search, a words lookup, and an AI chat, which will be an intelligent assistant capable of answering questions based on Gurudev's teachings, presented in the language of your choice. We invite you to explore the Pure Bhakti based website and try out its features. Your feedback is invaluable and deeply appreciated, as it helps us refine and expand this divine repository of Srila Gurudev's teachings. Thank you for being part of the Pure Bhakti based journey. Hare Krishna.